Hey there, we have this awesome axe and hammer multi-tool. This is the perfect gift for all those outdoor loving people you have in your life. It comes with this great case that you can hook onto a belt. It keeps it nice and safe. As we open it up, we see we have the hammer on this side and we have the axe right here with a protector on it. Down here at the bottom, we can unclamp this and that opens it up so we can use these pliers. We also have many different knives, saws, can openers, Phillips screwdrivers, lots of different tools for you to be able to use around your house or outside when you need, and you only need this one tool. We're gonna take it out and go try it out in a couple different ways and see how it works.